Severe weather possible, damaging wind, large hail, maybe even a few tornadoes.
Calling all weather geeks, this is courtesy of Mother Nature.
Crowds scattering, children screaming, and the rain just blowing into the sides of the big top.
Watch the children.
Watch the children for sure.
You have to take every warning seriously, but you have to be prepared before the warning gets there.
I'm taking my official space and Earth weather watch up a notch. Up a notch, yo. Stay cool, be prepared. And I'm not interesting mongering. I don't have a PhD. I just have the know-how to look at things and go, that is abnormal. The roof is on fire. Snap, crackle, pop. There's a lot of activity on the sun.
Baby, I need your love.
This is a Thor News presentation.
Doesn't matter what I believe.
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool.
Severe weather season has really cranked up over the last couple of weeks. In Atlanta on Monday, we had a lot of hail. That wasn't the only spot that has seen severe weather over the last couple of weeks. Really, a lot of the country's been in on it. And more of the same coming up Wednesday through Friday.
Yeah, and again, if you're in the warning, you need to get inside, get off the road, get as low as you can, get to those interior rooms with no windows, cover up, make sure everybody's accounted for. And you need to know what you're going to do and where you're going to go. But don't stay on the road. Don't stay outside in this situation. Get inside, get to shelter. Help everybody by doing your part. Get off the roads, get somewhere safe, stay there.
What a soggy start to the work week.
Winter doesn't want to give up.
In the wake of some very heavy rain and thunderstorms, some packing hail and high winds,
Things are getting kind of wild.
Hold on to your hats here.
With the storminess here, this whole vortex is going to stick around for about 2 weeks. Ugh.
This is no joke.
That happened, and it's going to stay cold.
next phase will be some chillier air coming in.
As a rocket on throw,
You see some other disturbances. There's one here coming through.
that could be relatively nasty. Here's that severe weather we're talking about here.
Also pretty windy, so
Look at that. Temperatures in the 40s. It's not something that we like to see, or at least I don't like to see this time of the year. I want it to be warmer. It is spring.
And it's just kind of an endless, thing of showers and thunderstorms, through the rest of the week across the south. Some of them are going to be on the frisky side, though.
We get to Friday night, and the same thing is still there. Saturday night, storm comes up partway up the east coast, and then on Sunday, still chilly, flow out of the northwest, and then Monday, still chilly, flow out of the northwest.
Ugh.
actually got to hold some of those in my hand.
You can see the thunderstorms are going to break out. There's an enhanced area up to Dallas, Fort Worth, and Oklahoma City. Could be some hailstorms and damaging winds in that area on Thursday across South Texas here. So this is really where we're going to focus our look here at severe weather.
But certainly cold.
This is no joke here. We are going to see some snow showers.
Some wild weather in the eastern states. Things are going to be kind of topsy-turvy, though, in the east and Midwest over the course of the next couple of days.
But what we're going to focus on is back toward Texas, as storm system's going to come back into Texas and across the south. But then across the south, they could get more rains and thunderstorms, severe weather up across the mid-Atlantic states. It's actually a fourth dairy front coming through. Behind that, all right, I think there's going to be a band of thunderstorms that are going to develop, and some of these thunderstorms are going to contain pea-sized hail and gusty winds.
Also pretty windy, so hold on to your hats here, and also can't rule out some minor travel delays due to the winds.
Really horrendous thunderstorms in the eastern states, a lot of hail, heavy rain. What we're going to see is the jet stream dip a little bit farther south, and we're going to get another shot of chilly air come down. Look what happens on Wednesday night and into Thursday as that cold air really takes hold. We do see that there is the possibility of some snow.
Also want to mention that we currently have some snow falling across upstate Michigan, some places seeing a ½ inch to 2 inches currently, some cold air filtering in, and I point this out because this is eventually going to be bringing some impacts to the northeast.
Thursday, showers and thunderstorms across the south there, and things start to pick up again on Friday as more showers and thunderstorms start to develop.
For the later half of April for the northeast, we are going to have these waves of cold air moving in. Here's a look for our Wednesday night. This is no joke here. We are going to see some snow showers. Point is here, cold air is moving in. Some places going to be hovering near the freezing mark. Hopefully that warmer weather will be coming back shortly, but for now, we're left with the chilly conditions.
Yeah, be careful. Right after the storm is actually some of the most dangerous time with down trees, down power lines. Again, unless you have somewhere to go in an emergency, stay tight where you're at if you're safe. Let the utility crews and responders deal with that emergency. But it can be very dangerous after the storm. So the best thing to do, unless you're in an area that's not safe, is stay where you're at. Down power lines can still be deadly even after the storm passes through.
Scientists are afraid a volcano in Mexico is building up to an explosion similar to the one that buried Pompeii nearly 2,000 years ago.
Officials are getting ready for the next big one, which they say could happen any day. Emergency crews are monitoring the volcano 24/7.
This was honestly a crazy storm. You can see the hail shaft back in here, the hook echo coming down through here, the rotation that was going on. Man, honestly, that's like a typical supercell type of thunderstorm that you see. This is looking down about the same time as his hook echo, and you can see the wall cloud sitting right here. This is the hail shaft back in here. All this here is rotating around. A little bit closer, again, you can see the whole structure of the wall cloud right here, and you really can see now the whole bowl shape of the wall cloud, the mesocyclone that was to the south of my position here by my house. My house is actually over that way, but this is the mesocyclone right here. Quite an interesting day. This whole thing was rotating around back in here like this. Okay, so really some crazy weather. I couldn't see anything that looked tornado-ish. So that was my excitement yesterday. I ended up getting hail that covered the ground, pea to marble size and half-inch size hail. We had winds over 50 miles an hour that came on through. So this was honestly a crazy storm.
Finding alien life beyond planet Earth might come sooner than you think.
Certainly, there's going to be some interesting weather. All right, that's enough for now.
And hope you have a great day today.
We'll follow it all here for you at AccuWeather.com.
Crowds scattering, children screaming, and the rain just blowing into the sides of the big top.
Dallas, you guys are going to be right in the bullseye on Wednesday. All modes of severe weather possible, damaging wind, large hail, maybe even a few tornadoes.
Calling all weather geeks, this is courtesy of Mother Nature.
Crowds scattering, children screaming, and the rain just blowing into the sides of the big top.
Watch the children.
Watch the children for sure.
You have to take every warning seriously, but you have to be prepared before the warning gets there.
I'm taking my official space and Earth weather watch up a notch. Up a notch, yo. Stay cool, be prepared. And I'm not interesting mongering. I don't have a PhD. I just have the know-how to look at things and go, that is abnormal. The roof,